Hello everyone, welcome back to Transcendent Institute. In this particular video, we'll be doing question 2 of the 2023 GCE Biology Paper 2. Let's get into it. So question 2 reads, Figure 2 represents a rhizopus growing on bread. Okay, so we have the diagram of the rhizopus here and we can see here it's labeled bread. So question 2a says identify the parts labeled E, F and G. So we have E here, we have F here and we have G here. So E is the sporangiophore. We have the sporangiophore, and then F is the rhizoids, or they are the rhizoids. And then we have G, which are the spores. Okay, so other things to note in the diagram, we have the hyphal here. So hyphal, and then we also have we all have the sporangium. So yeah, we're labeled for here the sporangium. Okay, and then we go to question 2b1, which says state the type of nutrition found in the organism in figure 2. Okay, let me just move the page for a clearer view. State the type of nutrition found in the organism in figure 2. The type of nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. Okay, saprophytic nutrition. Okay, and then we have B2, which says explain how the nutrition identified in B1 is brought about. So I'm going to explain before I briefly write the answer. So in saprophytic nutrition, a saprophyte feeds on secreting extracellular digestive enzymes, okay, which in this context, those are the spores. Okay, so it releases this from its hyphae, which is this line here. Okay, and then these enzymes hydrolyze the saprophyte, and the saprophytes absorb the end product. So when the spores fall on the bread goes bad, and then the rhizopus feeds on it. That's pretty much what saprophytic nutrition is. Okay, so you can write this briefly because I don't have enough space. I'm going to abbreviate a lot. So a saprophyte feeds by secreting extracellular digestive enzymes. So by secreting enzymes from the hyphae. And then these enzymes hydrolyze the substrate. Okay, hydrolyze the substrate, and the saprophyte absorb the end product. Please grab your notebooks and make sure you write what I say as well, because I'm writing the answers briefly here because of lack of space. And then we go to question 2c, which says describe the importance of the nutrition in the rhizopus to the environment. Okay, so what's the importance of saprophytic nutrition to the environment? Firstly, saprophytic nutrition helps in the decomposition of organic matter. Helps with the decomposition of organic matter. Okay, and then if you have noticed there, they've put 2 marks. There's 2 marks here, so to be safe you have to give 2 points. So the other point is it helps in the recycling of nutrients. Helps in the recycling of nutrients. Okay, so when you throw away that bread, if it's not digested, if it's not broken down, it will just be there forever and ever. So for it to break down, saprophytic nutrition takes place. That's the green things that you see when bread goes bad or like shima goes bad. That's the rhizopus feeding on the bread or the shima, which is pretty much recycling the nutrients of that bread or of that shima. So that's the end of question 2. Make sure you go and watch question 1 and the rest of the questions in the other videos. Thank you.